Hello, this is Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com. Now today we have these throttle bodies here on the bench that came in. Now this is my module, but the throttles they came in to be checked out. Now one of them was bad, so this one is repaired. This one was a replacement unit, but I still checked it all out, opened it up, cleaned it up, and make sure that this is okay. And it seems like this particular unit does not have many miles on it. So it was installed, but it wasn't really used much, and that's what we're going to look at. Now again, there's really not much to see here with this one, just a light cleaning and whatnot. This one I still have to put bolts back on, because the bolts, I just put the cover on just to test it out, see how they act. So as you can see, both units are synchronized and work properly. Maybe the angle does not show properly, but they work absolutely flawless. Okay, now next thing is, here's the underside of this unit that I repaired. Polished the panel here. So not the panel, the gasket sitting place. So yeah, that's what they look like. And what happened with my reading now? What's going on here? What did I do just now? Ignition on. Okay, because this is my different computer. I don't use this computer on daily basis really. This is just that computer that actually failed on me, so I had to fix it. So I'm using what I'm using here, so just bear with me for 1 second. Come on buddy, you can do it. Readings, here it is. Okay, let me pause this video for a second, get this thing to work. Okay, so seems like the diagnostic laptop here came up to its senses, and like I said, this is just that I was fixing it up and just wanted to test it on the bench because I use a different computer here. Alright, so let's take a look at the readings here. So we have 4.33, 4.33, absolutely identical readouts from both units, and when I open them all the way, we're going to see 1.99 on both. And that's what we have, 1.99, 1.99, so we're fine there. These readings are reference readings, so they don't really matter much. It's just that whatever computer interprets them, that's what they will be. So yeah, as we can see, both units are operational, everything works. And yes, they're slow because this is the older style unit and this is the newer style unit. So this one is heavier, but it's lubricated and everything. That's just the way they work, believe it or not. That's what it is. Okay, so that's the right way. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video just to show the units are done, and it's going to be all for me for now. Alright, so this is it. Victor here, restoreyourmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.